Hello, I'm Alexis with Imperium Dynamics, and in this video I'm going to show you the wonders of Dynamics 365 CPQ Solutions. Dynamics Sales CPQ provides configure, price, and quote processes on top of the default leads to opportunity business processes in Dynamics Sales. Empower your business to create a comprehensive product catalog effortlessly while customers can conveniently request quotes at competitive prices. Built on Dynamics 365 Sales Hub with customized features to enable users to carry out their sales processes with a simple and intuitive interface. It encompasses all the necessary functionalities for easy product configuration, swift quoting, and efficient order creation. Everything needed for a business execution. The model-driven app and intuitive customer-facing portal allows customers to register and actively take part in the sales cycle. Add attributes of products allowing users to create categories and other related attributes. The product combination feature in Dynamics Sales CPQ is another functionality that allows users to add images to all the combination of products with real-time changes to those images on the portal and model-driven app based on the selected attributes of the product. Schedule a consultation with us to discuss your needs and how we can help you transform your price quotation process with Dynamics Sales CPQ.